Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a very fundamental GATE question, GATE 2025 EC question, in which we have to plot the function fx equals to minus mod x by x. Okay, so this one is the function. So the question is, which one of the following plots represents fx equals to minus mod x by x, where x is a non-zero real number. So four options are there: A, B, C, D, and four plots are given, so we have to select the correct one. So first of all, we have to go with the basics. Okay, so here this one is our mod x. So first I want to give you a brief about the mod x. The mod x is either x or minus x for x greater than equals to 0 and x equals to less than 0. This one is the fundamental. Okay, and if we plot mod x, okay, plot mod x. So how we have to plot? Say this one is our mod x, okay, or sometimes we can write y equals to mod x, okay, and x. So here what we observe that y, and we can say this as a y, okay. So y equals to x, so y equals to x line, okay. So y equals to x line, so I am taking this as a for x greater than 0, okay, so only this part, and y equals to minus x line, okay. So one line is this one, okay. So this one for the x less than 0. So if we draw the a clear diagram, okay, so as you know, this one is y equals to say mod x, and this one is x. So it is nothing but simply this kind of graph, okay. So everyone knows this thing, okay, but I have made this diagram, okay. Now we have to plot this fx, okay. Fx equals to minus mod x by x, so it is very simple. So first what we can write, f equals to minus mod x by x, okay. So then after first case, so there are two cases. So case 1, okay, when x greater than equals to 0, okay, so mod x will be what, x, okay. So fx can be written as minus x by x. Here mod x is simply minus x, so it should be our minus 1, okay. Now case 2, for x less than 0, our mod x value become minus x. So fx become minus of minus x. So minus x by x. So this should be plus. So it should be cancel out. Minus minus 4 plus 1. So 1. So fx is minus 1. So here what we have observed that for this one, I am saying for this graph, okay, if we plot for this graph, fx is equal to simply our y-axis, and this axis our what horizontal axis is x. So fx equals to minus 1. So okay, so fx equals to minus 1 is nothing but simply y equals to one line. So y equals to one line will be like this, okay, y equals to one line, okay. So here see, this one is one line, and here it is minus 1, okay, and y equals to minus 1 line. This one is y equals to one line, or we can say that fx equals to 1, and in this one fx is nothing but simply we can say y equals to minus 1 line. Fx can be written as y, okay. Here this can be written as y equals to minus mod x by x, okay. So once again, so fx equals to 1 and fx y equals to minus 1. So case 1, for when x is greater than 0, so x is greater than 0, so this side we can say x greater than equals to 0, this side, okay, this side x greater than 0, the fx is minus 1. Okay, minus 1. What should be the, okay, you have to put, so this should be the graph. Okay, for x less than 0, negative side, for x less than 0, this side, x less than 0, the graph will be in the plus value, fx equals to 1. So this one is the graph. Okay, so the overall graph, what we, so the overall graph, what we can say, this one is your y, or sometimes we can say fx, and x, this one will be like this point will be our, x will be 0, y will be 1, and here it should be 0 and minus 1. Okay, so this one is the correct answer. So what we did means, mod x equals to x, for x greater than 0, so x equals to minus 1, so this x equals to minus 1 line is this, x equals to plus 1, y equals to 1, a line parallel to the x-axis. So this one is the correct answer. So we have to select the correct answer. So from above diagram we can say the option number is the correct one. Okay, so this one is our, for x, what, for x less than 0 and x greater than 0. Okay, this one is the value. So this one is the correct answer, and this one is the GATE 2025 EC question. So this is all about this question. So option A is the correct one. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.